Excited for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series? Well, here's some big news that's going to make you even more eager for its release. Samsung has just made a huge decision regarding the processors in the Galaxy S25 lineup, and it's all about performance. A few days ago, it was confirmed that Samsung will announce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22. As the launch event approaches, a new report has emerged that Galaxy fans will be thrilled to hear. All models in the Galaxy S25 lineup, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, will exclusively use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This decision might come as a surprise to some, considering that earlier rumors suggested the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus would feature Samsung's Exynos 2500 chip, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra was expected to use a Snapdragon chip. It appears that Samsung has shifted its plans due to issues with the yield rate of the Exynos 2500 chip, leading the company to opt for Snapdragon chips across the entire S25 lineup. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, announced just a few weeks ago, brings a host of improvements to the Galaxy S25 series. Not only does it offer enhanced CPU and GPU performance, but it also introduces custom technologies designed to elevate the overall gaming experience. For instance, the Galaxy S25 series could support game frame interpolation using Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine AFME 2.0 technology, allowing games capped at 60 Hz refresh rates or 60 frames per second to run at a smooth 120 Hz high refresh rate or 120 frames per second. The phones may also leverage Qualcomm's Snapdragon Game Super Resolution feature, which upscales the game's resolution without straining the system. These enhancements are part of Samsung's Game Assist feature, which improves game resolution and frame rate while reducing heat. This move marks a significant shift for Samsung, which had initially planned to use the Exynos 2500 processor in the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus, but has now opted for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in all three models. It reflects Samsung's emphasis on delivering the best possible performance and gaming features to its Galaxy S25 users. Official details are here, and Samsung's next big thing is about to hit. Samsung is entering a critical phase as it prepares for the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 series. A new report suggests that the release date for the Galaxy S25 series has been set for February 7, 2025, following its official launch on January 22, 2025. According to FFN News, Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy S25 series will be released on February 7, 2025. The devices will be revealed at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22 in the United States. The report also mentions that pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series will run from January 24 to February 3, with early access for pre-order customers beginning on February 4. Samsung is expected to officially launch the Galaxy S25 lineup in South Korea on February 7. This marks a slight delay in availability compared to the Galaxy S24 series, which had an earlier release. Here's what we can expect. The Galaxy S25 series will be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, USA on January 22, 2025. Pre-orders will be open from January 24 to February 3. Customers who pre-order will get early access starting February 4. The full release of the Galaxy S25 series in Korea is scheduled for February 7, 2025. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung aims to strengthen its position in the premium smartphone market. The new devices will feature enhanced AI capabilities, refined designs, and upgraded specifications. Price hike in Korea? Due to the ongoing political instability in Korea, the $1 exchange rate has risen above 1,451, which could lead to a price increase for the S25 series in Samsung's home country. Additionally, the cancellation of the Exynos 2500 chipset is expected to impact Samsung's profits, as all models will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is manufactured using TSMC's expensive 3nm process node. Finally, the first official teaser for Samsung Unpacked has dropped, revealing the Galaxy S25 launch date and a hint of big surprises in store. Samsung fans, the wait is almost over. The first official teaser for Galaxy Unpacked has leaked, courtesy of Evan Blass, confirming the Galaxy S25 series launch date. Mark your calendars. January 22, 2025, because that's when Samsung is set to unveil its latest flagship lineup. While the venue isn't officially revealed, it's expected to be held in the United States, likely in San Francisco or San Jose. The teaser hints at some exciting design changes. Samsung seems to be ditching the sharp, boxy design in favor of a flatter middle frame with slight curves, reminiscent of the iPhone's design philosophy. Redesigned camera rings also make an appearance, differing between what's likely the Ultra and Plus models. The mystery fourth model. The teaser features not 3, but 4 devices, sparking rumors about the Galaxy S25 Slim. This thinner, sleeker model is expected to pack the same power as its siblings, but could have a staggered release, potentially launching in Q2 next year between April and June. Samsung Unpacked 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting launches yet. Are you ready for the Galaxy S25 lineup? Let us know your thoughts on the possible 4th model and the design changes. So here are 5 crucial moves Samsung must make to take down Apple's giant. 1. Bring back the 10x zoom. Remember the 10x optical zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra? That was Samsung flexing hard, leaving iPhone users drooling. But for some reason, Samsung downgraded to 5x zoom on the S24 Ultra, matching Apple. Why play nice? If Samsung brings back the 10x zoom on the S25 Ultra, it would give Samsung an undeniable edge. Leaks, though, suggest Samsung might stick to 5x again. Samsung, don't miss this chance, bring back the beast. 2. Upgrade the ultra-wide camera. Ultra-wide shots are where creativity shines, but here's the problem. Samsung's 12MP ultra-wide feels dated compared to Apple's shiny 48-megapixel sensor. Good news? Leaks hint that Samsung is working on a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for the S25 Ultra. It's time for Samsung to deliver and prove that Android can dominate every lens. 3. Boost the battery life. Let's be real. Battery life can make or break a phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already packs great stamina, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max goes toe-to-toe with it despite having a smaller battery. Here's what Samsung needs to do: squeeze out more efficiency with a new Snapdragon or Exynos chip. A bigger 5,000 mAh battery is fine, but Samsung needs to outlast Apple. Give us that all-day power user win. 4. Lower the price, or at least don't raise it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra hit wallets hard, starting at $1,299, which is more expensive than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look, we know the S25 Ultra will never be cheap, but if Samsung matches or undercuts Apple's price, it could turn heads. Unfortunately, rumors suggest prices may climb even higher. Samsung, if you're listening, a small price cut could win big fans. 5. Polish One UI. No more clutter. One of Apple's secret weapons is iOS, clean, smooth, and just works. Meanwhile, Samsung's One UI sometimes feels, well, messy. If Samsung wants to win, One UI 7 needs to feel faster, cleaner, and smarter. Give us a software experience that feels as premium as the hardware. So there you have it, 5 ways the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could wipe the floor with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what do you think Samsung needs to do to take the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest on these tech battles. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.